Hello, this video will give you a brief introduction to some of the ideas that Southgate software has for the APAC interface. When the application loads, you'll see the APAC logo appear and then disappear. It'll be possible to do two different kinds of searches in APAC. If you click on the search button, you can do a detailed search, or you can click up here and type in a quick search. Typing in brown will give you everything associated with brown. You can filter your results by clicking on one of the filter buttons here. For instance, to only display suspects, you would click on the Suspects button. The Suspects folder gives you a brief overview of the suspect. It displays the suspect's picture, name, and contact information. You can see what offenses this suspect is linked with. In this case, the suspect is linked with shoplifting and auto theft. You can also see the number of investigations that involve this suspect. Clicking on this icon will display the investigations, as we'll see in a moment. The next icon displays the number of incidents they are involved with. For instance, one investigation may contain 3 different incidents, and the suspect may be involved in 2 of them. The last icon shown here displays the number of known associates that are linked with this suspect. To see the full detail view of the suspect, click on this icon. The suspect folder will expand to a full view that will contain all the detail associated with this person. You can either click on the arrow or press Escape to return to the quick search view. If there are multiple images of a suspect, you can move the mouse over the image and navigation arrows will appear. Clicking on the arrows will move between the different images. Clicking the middle arrow will expand the image to its full resolution. Let's take a look at an example of how you might navigate through APAC. If you look at the suspect John Smith, you can quickly see that he is confrontational and has been linked to shoplifting and break and enter. You can see that he was involved in 6 different incidents within one investigation. You can also see that he has 3 known associates. Clicking on this icon moves John Smith to the top of the screen and displays his associates below. At this point, you may become interested in Jack Lowe, now that you know he's been associated with John Smith. You can click on the Investigations icon to see all the investigations that Jack Lowe is involved with. The investigation folders are a brief summary of an investigation. Here you can see a paragraph describing the investigation along with other important information, such as a list of agencies involved. In this case, it shows Concord Security and the Burnaby RCMP. The icons along the bottom show how many incidents are in this investigation. It also shows how many investigators are assigned to it, as well as how many suspects, victims, and witnesses. Clicking on any of these icons displays the relevant information in a similar way to clicking on the Investigations icon. You can also click on the Expand icon to get a full detail view of the investigation. That concludes this video. We hope it gives you a better idea of what Southgate software has in mind for the APAC interface, and we're looking forward to presenting more ideas as the project continues. Thank you.